Are e-cigarettes really that good for you? Back in 2008, e-cigarettes were introduced as a smoke-free alternative to get your nicotine fix. But since their introduction, the research has been conducted and found that the effects of e-cigarettes are the same, if not worse, than regular cigarettes. In 2016, the United States Food and Drug Administration categorized e-cigarettes in the same category as regular tobacco products. With this being said, the product on the market known as the Juul, they've found that one Juul pod is what it is called, is equal to a single pack of cigarettes. Another thing that has been seen with these devices is a recent spike in the use of these products with young kids. The main age bracket that the spike has been seen is between middle school and high school years. This is a problem because these products contain nicotine. Nicotine has a direct effect with the development of the brain. Now, the human brain isn't fully developed until age 25. So by these kids using these products in middle school and high school, it is slowing, if not hindering, their development of their brain. The particular portion of their brain that it is hindering is the portion of the brain that helps you make impulse decisions. They also lead to other brain defects, such as an increased risk of addiction, slowing the ability to make decisions, and mood disorders. A study that was conducted in 2015 showed that 13% of high school age girls were using vapes or e-cigarettes, as well as 19% of high school age boys. Compared to the 2011 numbers that were conducted in 2011, that's a 900% increase, which shows that it's catching popularity in that young generation, and we need to educate them on the risks and stuff that comes with these products, and that they're not just a toy. Another problem that has been seen is the use of these products when women are pregnant. They are the same thing as a regular cigarette. They contain nicotine and are harmful to the fetus. Research has shown that e-cigarettes during pregnancy can lead to brain and lung defects within the child, and also can lead to low birth weights, premature birth, and sudden infant death syndrome. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also reported a large spike in the amount of poisonings that have happened from accidental ingestions of the e-liquid that is used for the e-cigarettes. Now, when these products were first marketed, they were marketed as a smoke-free tool for people to quit cigarettes. But when a study was conducted, it showed that 58% of all people that use an e-cigarette still smoke regular cigarettes. So the majority of the people using this product to help quit haven't really quit. Tests have also shown that the vapor that comes out of the e-cigarettes has the three main carcinogens that are found within regular cigarette smoke. So how much better are these products really? All it is doing is really condensing a pack of cigarettes into a small little jar of liquid. So really, how much better are they, and how effective are they, based on the numbers that we just talked about?